Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. Have you ever wondered how to find the perfect topic for a faceless YouTube channel? It's not as easy as it sounds. The challenge isn't just about finding any topic, it's about finding the right topic. What makes it even more complex is the faceless aspect of your channel. Without the personality or image of a presenter to draw in viewers, the topic itself becomes your channel's leading star. It's like trying to find the right key to unlock a door, but the door isn't just any door. It's the entrance to the success of your channel. The chosen topic needs to be engaging, informative, and most importantly, captivating enough to hold the audience's attention. In a faceless channel, your topic is your voice, your face, your personality. It's what makes your channel unique, distinct, and memorable. So how do we find this elusive, perfect topic? Let's dive into some potential topics that could work for a faceless YouTube channel. The key to a successful faceless YouTube channel is to focus on topics that are interesting, engaging, and do not necessarily require a face to deliver. Now let's dive into potential topics suitable for a faceless YouTube channel. First up, we have animation. This is a brilliant choice because it allows for incredible creativity and storytelling without the need for a physical presence. You can create entire worlds and characters from your imagination, and the only limit is your creativity. Next, we have stories and narrations. This can range from horror stories to life lessons or even fiction. You can captivate your audience with your words and the power of your voice. It's all about creating an engaging narrative that keeps your listeners hooked. Music and sound design is another excellent topic. If you're a budding musician or a sound designer, you can showcase your talent without showing your face. You can create original music, sound effects, or even remix popular songs. The possibilities are endless. Tutorials and how-tos are a staple on YouTube. From cooking to coding to DIY crafts, there's a tutorial for everything. If you're an expert in a particular field, you can share your knowledge with the world. And the best part, you don't need to show your face to do it. Product reviews are another great option. Whether it's tech gadgets, books, or beauty products, people always appreciate an honest review before making a purchase. You can provide valuable insights and help your viewers make informed decisions. Podcasts are becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. They are a fantastic way to discuss a variety of topics, interview interesting people, and share your thoughts. Again, all you need is your voice and a good microphone. Each of these topics has its own unique appeal and can attract a wide range of viewers. Whether you're a creative soul, a tech geek, a storyteller, or a music lover, there's a place for you in the faceless YouTube realm. Remember, it's not about who you are, but what you create. And with these topics, you can create something truly amazing. Now that we've got a list, let's delve a bit deeper into some of these topics. Firstly, let's discuss educational content. This is a broad area with limitless possibilities. You could focus on academic subjects like mathematics or history, or you could offer practical life skills such as cooking or home repair. The benefit of this topic is the constant demand for knowledge and learning. The challenge here lies in making your content engaging and unique. The internet is brimming with educational content, so you'll need to offer a fresh perspective or a unique teaching method to stand out. Consider using humor, storytelling, or even gamification to make your content more appealing. Another great topic is product reviews. This could range from tech gadgets to books, movies, or even food. The advantage of this topic is the constant influx of new products, which ensures you'll never run out of content. The challenge, however, is maintaining credibility and trust with your audience. It's important to provide honest reviews and disclose any affiliations or sponsorships. To make your content stand out, try to provide a unique angle or perspective on the product. Maybe you can review products from a specific niche or offer comparisons between similar products. Lastly, let's consider the topic of personal development. This could cover areas like mental health, fitness, or even financial literacy. The advantage of this topic is the universal appeal and necessity of personal growth. The challenge lies in offering advice that is both credible and applicable to a wide audience. To make your content stand out, you could share personal stories or experiences, or even bring in experts to provide insights or advice. Remember, the key is to choose a topic that you are passionate about and one that resonates with your target audience. Let's recap on what we've discussed so far. The first hurdle in starting a faceless YouTube channel is selecting the right topic. It's crucial because it sets the tone of your content, draws in your audience, and ultimately determines the success of your channel. We've explored a myriad of potential topics that could work wonders for a faceless channel. Perhaps you're drawn to the idea of creating ASMR videos, where the focus is purely on the soothing sounds rather than the creator. Or maybe informative content is more up your alley, where you can leverage your expertise in a specific field and share it with the world. We've also considered the appeal of storytelling, where your voice alone can conjure up captivating narratives, or even delving into the realm of book reviews, where your thoughts on the latest bestsellers can stir up lively discussions. But remember, choosing a topic isn't just about picking something you're interested in. It's about finding a balance between your passion and what resonates with your audience. It's about understanding the trends, but not losing your unique voice amidst the noise. In our deep dive, we emphasized the importance of research and understanding your audience. We also highlighted the need for consistency, authenticity, and most importantly, enjoying the process. Choosing the right topic can make or break your faceless YouTube channel, so take your time and choose wisely. To wrap things up, take this as a nudge to explore a multitude of topics. Venture into the unknown, experiment with the unusual, and who knows, you may stumble upon a goldmine of ideas. But amidst this exploration, don't lose sight of what truly matters: your passion. Create content that sparks joy in you. The magic happens when you love what you do. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your YouTube journey today and make your mark on the world.